Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tyler Patillo here with Team Ivy League FX. So I wanted to go over a quick market overview for this weekend and then going into next week. So I'm going to start off with gold. Okay, did have gold buys from 1795 and above. I believe I sent that in the group chat as well or in the signals channel. But we have seen a nice push up to 1830. So on the break 1830, let's go back a little bit. And I'm doing this analysis on the 4 hour, and I'll show you why in a second. So if we get rid of all this noise over here, we do have a nice supporting trend line down here on the 4 hour. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I'm going to go ahead and move this to a current trend line. So move it from here and then come up to this. Okay. So now if you're not in on this trade right now, I am looking for it to continue pushing up, but we are due for a pullback. So that pullback has to be seen here shortly. Once that pullback is seen, I'm looking for a pullback to, it's a beautiful key level. Let's say 1810, 1805. Or so let's go 1810 to 1800 in between there. 1810 is a good entry. 1800 is even better. But at 1810, it would, or I'm sorry, 1800, it would break that trend line, which we don't want. So 1810, therefore, is more ideal. Now, I'll clear all drawings so we get a nice clean picture of the chart and price action. So we're at a daily resistance right now. Okay, right here. And I'm just going to use key levels, but again, you guys remember every key level is a zone. So on the break of this and on the retest of this would also be another super, super, super solid entry. So break and retest of 1830, 1825. Now, if we see an M formation or a head and shoulders or a bearish engulfing and then a retest of that bearish engulfing, then I will be looking for short positions. But right now, I am very long on it. So that's my predictions for gold. Oh, also, real quick, first TP would be 1845. The next TP, let's go 1860, then 1870. So it's another 100 pips each time. Cryptos, a little bit scary at the moment. I'm just going to go over Ethereum. Okay. I'm not going to go over Bitcoin and XRP. They kind of do move together, but I also did hear some news in XRP that in April, the CEO believes that the lawsuit is going to be done and finished with. So that'd be good news for XRP, and we can start looking for buy entries. Right now though, Bitcoin, let's go clean chart. So running on a daily fib. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm going to do Bitcoin, not Ethereum, because they've been moving pretty much the same. So I'm going to do Bitcoin. I apologize, not Ethereum. We have a really, really nice daily zone right here that I'm looking for a play off of, right? This would also be the neckline of this daily head and shoulders that we have here. So we have our arm, our shoulder, up for our head, down for our shoulder, looking for that next arm, or at least the retest this neckline here. So our next arm will bring us back down to 30,000, which I don't believe Bitcoin's going to go to. I don't think we'll see that much bearish pressure on it, but you know, if it's there, it could happen. But I believe we'll see a rejection of the neckline, and then we'll see a push back up to previous all-time highs. If we go back and look at previous Januaries too, so right here, so we have November, right? December, and then later December into early January. It was nice push up all the way up through here, and then came back down a little bit, right? And then continued up mid to late January to early February. So I think we're going to see a bullish market. My analysis is that we will see a bullish market here very, very, very soon if this head and shoulders doesn't play out. But I'm looking for it to retest at least this level here. Again, remember that's a zone. I'm just using key level lines to show you an example. And then here as well. So that's the two current daily looks or dailies that I'm looking for, daily levels. And then a push down to here will be my final entry. And that would be past the neckline going into that arm. Now, if you do not catch the bottom, which is okay, if you don't catch the bottom, I'm looking for entries above this resistance over here. So that resistance being, let's say 50,000 to 52,000. So break above that should give us enough bullish pressure to push at least back up to 60,000. So push back up to at least here on the break of here. Anyways, so that's what I'm looking at for next week. I will do one more actually on GJ because you guys have been loving GJ. We call it GJ buys. We had GJ buys off of this trend line in the group and in the last couple live calls that we had. But just to update, here is my levels that I had for GJ, and it looks like it's past all of them. So I will do a fresh analysis on this for the week coming up. If you guys would like me to do it live, just let me know, leave a comment down below. Anyway, guys, Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a like. Let me know what you thought, and talk to you guys soon.